Hello, my name is 𝐂𝐡𝐨. I'm Lebanese and I studied my level 4 and level 5 in automobile engineer. I want to share my experience. I think that this academy has helped me a lot in a very flexible way and gives, regardless of all the crisis that's coming in Lebanon, I have studied online and I think that it's an easy way to learn and in the same time to live our life flexibly with our work and etc. So I want to thank this academy for giving me this opportunity to learn online or on campus and to give the very easiest way and easiest modes of fun in while learning. Thank you.